In this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Hisense TV if you are getting a no signal error on your screen or a blank screen. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient. Here wait for the 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If not clear the problem, let's go on to the next step. Method 2. Look on backside of your TV. You want to make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into the back of connector. If not clear your problem, move the HDMI connection to another port. Most TVs have at least 2 and sometimes 3 or 4 of these ports. Press the input button on your remote and select the HDMI port number that the device is connected to. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.